What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best welding helmet. You are deeply immersed in a welding project when suddenly, there's a blinding burning light. The feeling of hot sand filling your eye sockets creates a pain that is so intense, you're on the verge of clawing your eyes out. There are a lot of products available to choose to welding helmet, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best welding helmet product from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. YESWELDER Welding Helmet. YESWELDER welding products are known for providing good value for the money. This welding helmet has many of the features found on more expensive models, and boasts the largest viewing area of any we considered. Colors are good, if not exceptional, and while 1.5 optical clarity isn't perfect, it is still to a professional standard. Auto darkening speed is 1/10,000 second, which is slower than some, but still perfectly safe. Controls for shade, delay, sensitivity, and grinding mode are all on the outside of the helmet, and designed to be used with gloved hands. This YESWELDER welding helmet lacks the construction quality of leading brands, it is heavier than many, and the headgear could be more supportive. Nevertheless, the combination of low price and a competitive feature set makes it one of the best welding helmets for the money available. Positive side of this product: comprehensive feature set, easy to use controls, very affordable. Negative side of this product: headgear could be improved. Some durability concerns. Number 2. ESAB Sentinel Welding Helmet. Sentinel A50 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet offers 8 separate memory settings, plus an externally activated grind button, meaning you can fine-tune it to perfection. The helmet can be used for cutting and any type of welding, with crystal clear visibility and a broad spectrum of options. The clarity is outstanding, so once you strike an arc, you feel like the lights have been turned on. Besides being comfortable, Sentinel is also sturdy, but due to the rounded design, you should be careful when putting it down, as it can easily roll into the front shield and damage it. The power supply is shared on a solar-powered cell, plus a replaceable battery, 2XCR2450 lithium. Alerts indicators will light up when the battery power is low, but in my experience, it will keep you going for months, even if you weld regularly. Most welders agree that ESAB Sentinel A50 might be one of the most comfortable fit helmets on the market. Compared to Viking, you can wear it day and night without neck strain. Number 3. 3M Speedglas Welding Helmet. While the 3M Speedglas 9100 hoods vary in viewport sizes and options, we featured the 9100 XI model. With the 2.8 x 4.2 inches, 3M Speedglas 9100 XI has the largest viewing area in the series, but certainly not the largest on our list. The visibility is even improved with side windows that can be closed. The front side of the mask includes 3 sensors in the lens to provide a rapid reaction time and reliable auto darkening capability. The lens goes from clear to working dark in 0.1 milliseconds, so your eyes won't even notice a flash. TIG amp rating is down to 1 amp, which is among the lowest within brand name hoods, such as ESAB Sentinel A50 Auto Darkening Helmet or Viking. Therefore, you can use 9100 XI to weld or thin sheet metals like exhaust vents, aluminum, and all sorts of professional micro welding. When using this hood, some found sensitivity settings a bit too sensitive, so it might take some time to get used to it. Number 4. Jackson Safety Welding Helmet. When it comes to welding helmets, no one does it better than the brand Jackson Safety. With this model of passive welding helmet, they have brought about a revolutionary lightweight option without compromising on protection or comfort. This helmet can be used with a hard hat underneath, and is also suitable with Andorran Franks. Featuring a cover plate with a shade 10 window made of polycarbonate, this helmet is a complete package. The use of Hydroflex for manufacturing the shell makes the product durable and flexible. The 6 ounces lightweight design enables the user to wear it during the whole day. Additionally, the product includes several graphics, and has a better 370 speed dial, easy turn grip headgear system. This versatile welding helmet is suitable for inspectors, professionals, welding hobbyists and students, and the design makes the appearance smart. Product features: style, modern, material, metal, weight, 0.01 ounces, color, black. Positive side of this product: compatible with hard hats, flexible and durable shell, shade 10 polycarbonate shields, various graphics. Negative side of this product: some buyers needed to refigure. Number 5. Viking Black Welding Helmet. The Viking Industrial Welding Helmet comes with affordable and fixed pricing, featuring an all-purpose lens. The helmet has a sleek design that suits all professional and beginner welders. This feature is facilitated by the matte black finish, which gives it a rustic and rugged look. It features a shade 11 lens, which is all-purpose. The diesel sheet featured in customizing the shell can be adjusted according to the personal preference. This ratchet headgear is versatile and suitable for stick, TIG, MIG, pulse MIG, gouging and flux core processes of welding. This welding helmet meets and fulfills the ANSI and CSA standards, which makes it a better option for welders. The helmet is lightweight and is comfortable for wear all day. Product features. Style. Industrial, material. Steel, weight. 2.64 pounds, color. Black, positive side of this product. Matte black finish. Shade 11 lens. Can be customized according to personal choice. Negative side of this product. The flip action makes a loud noise. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please daily so to subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem, please comment below.